Alrighty, let's get into this fake wounds Halloween SFX makeup tutorial. In this SFX tutorial, you will need liquid latex, baking flour, SFX paints, skin tones, scab blood, spirit gum, and SFX makeup utensils. All of these products are listed down below. So, starting off, we are going to make some latex paste to sculpt out the fake wounds. Latex paste is great for all kinds of Halloween SFX makeup tutorials. You can make about any prosthetic you want with latex paste. It is great for any kind of Halloween SFX makeup. The paste should have a consistency of toothpaste or something similar. When I finish mixing the paste, I start sculpting out the fake wounds on a smooth surface. I dip my finger into liquid latex and smooth out the fake wounds with liquid latex. Add the details into the fake wounds to make the Halloween SFX makeup look more realistic. You can make as many easy SFX fake wounds you want with this Halloween makeup tutorial. Make as many fake wounds for your Halloween SFX makeup tutorial. After you finish making all of your fake wounds with latex, then let it dry. I let my fake wounds dry overnight and come back to it in the morning. Now, lay down some powder over the fake wounds makeup you created. So when you peel off the fake wounds, the latex does not stick to itself. Now I'll look for an edge to peel off the fake wounds from the table. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us in Limbo for more Halloween SFX makeup tutorials. Now it's time for the application process of this Halloween makeup tutorial. Take one of your mini fake wounds and apply the spirit gum to the fake SFX wound. If you don't have spirit gum, you can use liquid latex or another skin adhesive instead. Attach the fake wounds to your skin and then add a layer of latex to make sure the fake wounds are attached. After that, I add a skin tone to the fake wound SFX makeup. I'm using a Maron skin tone wheel for this. It doesn't have to be perfect because it will be covered in fake blood later on. Go in with the red SFX makeup and paint the inside of your fake wounds. I'm using the Maron SFX makeup wheel for this Halloween SFX makeup tutorial. Take a stipple sponge and use some red SFX makeup. Dab red SFX makeup all over, making scratches. Then take a brush and add scrape marks on the fake wounds. Now it's time for the fun part of this fake wounds Halloween SFX makeup tutorial, adding the blood. I'm using scab blood and smudging it all over, then add a little drippy blood to the fake wounds. Once you are satisfied with your blood, you finish making your fake wounds SFX makeup. Make sure to subscribe to Limbo Sfx if you enjoyed this SFX makeup tutorial. Thanks for watching this fake wounds Halloween SFX makeup tutorial, and have a great night!